Now the second part starts, where we connect 3.5mm jack to original cable so we can use it with our new detachable cable mod. Let's go! Cut off the end which originally was in the headphones. Then put on the cable 3.5mm jack cap. Then take off the cable isolation, separate the vanes and then cover them with tin. Then by using multimeter check which color is left, right and ground. Try on our 3.5mm jack and then cut off the wires that are too long. Then solder ground vane. Show it in real hard so it holds with jack. Then solder left and right vanes. Then isolate contacts with wife's best nail polish, but make sure she doesn't see you. Then put on the plastic tube and shrink it. Put on some glue and screw together the jack. And here's the result. We modified original Beyerdynamic cable to 3.5mm external cable. Nice! Congratulations with your result. Beyerdynamic DT770 headphones with detachable cable mod and external 3.5mm cable build. Thanks for coming by. Don't forget to like me and subscribe so I can meet you in my next DIY video. Hehe.